Hello dear students, welcome to Reliable Quota. Today we are going to discuss the memory based solutions of JEE Main 2023 January attempt which was held on 30th of January morning shift. Questions हम देख रहे हैं physical and inorganic chemistry के. This is the first question. S block का question, direct question. दे रखा है BeSO4, MgSO4 and all, and they are asking which of the above sulfates are water soluble. तो as we already know BeSO4 precipitate out होता है, SrSO4 precipitate out होता है, तो obvious बात है this one BeSO4 and MgSO4, these both are water soluble. Options में था only A, only B, A and B, C and D. These were the options. The answer is A and B. One thing is कि these are memory based which we have retrieved from our students, तो मे बी शायद options में इधर उधर हो जाए, but जो water soluble है वो है BeSO4 and MgSO4. Moving on for the further question, the question from qualitative analysis, again a very easy question. What they are saying, during the qualitative analysis of SO3 2 negative using H2SO4, बताया है उन्होंने already कि SO2 gas evolve होती है, and we already know SO2 gas is a reducing agent. K2Cr2O7 or dichromate, this is being an oxidizing agent, and SO2 being a reducing agent, SO2 oxidize हो जाएगा सल्फेट में और dichromate get reduced into Cr+3 और Cr+3 that is green. तो यहां पर ये जो ऑरेंज होता है सॉल्यूशन डाइक्रोमेट का, SO2 से कन्वर्ट कर देता है ग्रीन Cr+3 में. So the answer of this solution was green. I have not written the option as I am again telling you these are memory based. Options में थे अलग अलग color but the answer would be green. Next question from coordination compound, a direct question from NCERT, application based था. Substance which inhibits cancer growth is, तो बहुत easy सा question था and the answer we know that is cisplatin. What is cisplatin? That is this compound. इसका cis form that is used for the treatment of the tumors that inhibits cancer growth. आगे चलते हैं. Next question from atomic structure, class 11th. What they are saying is 7th orbit एक particular one electronic species speed दे रखी है और same species में they are asking the speed in the third orbit. So we know the formula of the speed. Speed in any nth orbit is given by V0, which is the speed in the first orbit, into Z by N. Z के साथ डायरेक्ट प्रपोर्शन, N के साथ इनवर्स प्रपोर्शन. तो अगर आप यहाँ पे पुट कर दें, बिकॉज द स्पेशियस इज द सेम, V0 तो कांस्टेंट है ही और Z क्योंकि स्पेशियस वही है, Z वुड बी अ कांस्टेंट, V0 वुड बी अ कांस्टेंट. तो वी कैन से V7 upon V3. So V7 is the speed in the 7th orbit, V3 is the speed in the third orbit, will be equal to, as it is inverse proportion, this will be equal to 3/7. Put कर दीजिए V0 की this one V7 की value को and we'll be able to get the answer in the V3. Speed in the third orbit would be equal to, this will be equal to 7/3 into 3.6 into 10 raised to power 6 meter per second, and we can get the answer.